15 things I wish I knew when I started riding motorcycles. Thing number one, it's not just about a helmet. High quality gloves, armored jackets, sturdy boots, and protective pants can save you from serious injury. Always gear up, no matter how short the ride. Thing number two, riding a motorcycle isn't just like riding a bike. It takes practice to master balance, braking, turning, and handling. Start small and work your way up to more powerful bikes. Thing number three, routine maintenance like checking tire pressure, oil levels, and chain tension is critical for safety and performance. Learning basic motorcycle mechanics can save you time and money. Thing number four, other drivers don't always see motorcycles. Ride defensively. Be aware of your surroundings and assume others might not notice you. Visibility and anticipation are key. Thing number five, the motorcycle world is full of passionate and supportive people. Don't hesitate to connect with local riding groups, attend events, or simply wave to fellow riders on the road. It's a part of the culture. Thing number six, weather can significantly affect your ride. Rain makes roads slippery, especially early on when oil mixes with water. Wind can destabilize your balance, and extreme heat can lead to dehydration. Wearing the right gear, such as waterproof clothing or layers to manage temperature, helps, as does practicing smooth inputs on brakes and throttle. Thing number seven, proper cornering is one of the most rewarding skills in motorcycling. Key principles include maintaining steady throttle control, looking through the turn where you want to go, and leaning with the bike. Building these habits boosts both safety and confidence, especially on winding, twisty roads. Thing number eight, a lighter bike is typically easier to handle for beginners, especially in tight maneuvers like parking or slow speed turns. Heavier bikes can be challenging to balance, particularly at low speeds, making it harder to build confidence early on. Thing number nine, staying focused is essential on a motorcycle, as you're constantly scanning for hazards, reading the road, and making split-second decisions. Long rides can be draining, so it's crucial to pace yourself, hydrate, and rest to stay sharp and safe. Thing number 10, motorcycle training courses go beyond teaching the basics. Advanced courses cover techniques like emergency braking, counter steering, and swerving to avoid obstacles. These skills are life-saving and can make you a much more skilled and confident rider. Thing number 11, riding a motorcycle that doesn't fit you well can be uncomfortable and even dangerous. Factors like seat height, handlebar position, and foot peg placement should match your body size and riding style. Thing number 12, smooth operation of the throttle and clutch are key to maintaining control, especially during slow speed maneuvers and starts on an incline. Remember, practice makes better. Thing number 13, your tires are your only point of contact with the road. Worn out or improperly inflated tires can affect grip and handling, so regular inspections are essential. Thing number 14, many new riders rely too heavily on the front brake. Learning how to use the rear brake effectively, especially at low speeds, can make a big difference in your control. Thing number 15, staying calm, focused, and aware while riding is as important, if not more important, as mastering the physical mechanics on a motorcycle. Mental preparedness helps you react quickly to changing conditions. You should always be thinking ahead and predicting what could happen next. And if you're interested in improving your skills and learning how to stop your motorcycle in the shortest distance possible, then watch this video next for some motorcycle braking tips that'll save your life.